there.
Hurry up. All right, let's quiet down. How many terms for this warm-up problem? 9 to start. Then it might end up with 6 when you're all done. I don't know. Okay? All right. So I have a 2a to the 5th to start, right? So this is going to have a degree of 5, right? When we're done. Right. And a 6a to the 4th, and a negative 10a to the 3rd, right? And then a negative a to the 3rd, so I'll just put it under that one. And a negative 3a squared, and a positive 5a. That's the second 3. And the last 3 is a positive 3a squared, and a positive 9a, and a negative 15. You guys with me on those 9? So I took the 2a cubed and distributed it to all 3 on the other side. And then I took the negative a and distributed it. Then I took the positive 3. More, does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Who else wasn't here? He's the only one who wasn't here yesterday. That are here today? Okay, now combine like terms. So we have our 2a to the 5th and our 6a to the 4th. And then on negative 11, a cubed, negative 10 and a negative 1. Those canceled, right? So I don't need an a squared. If you want to put a 0 a squared, you could, but you don't have to. 14a minus 50. You go. Everybody got that right, correct? Questions? That's basically what we were doing yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we did 18 on by 3s, right? Skipping 39. So, Grace, what'd you get for 18?
14x to the 4th plus 21x to the 3rd.
Very good. 21, Olivia Wyndham.
I got 12R5 plus 28R4, and then minus 60R to the 3rd plus 28R to the 2nd.
Good. That is correct. Number 24, Sammy Joe.
I got x to the 5th minus 5x to the 3rd minus 4x to the 2nd minus x minus 5.
The only thing was wrong with your second term. It should have been minus 6x to the 3rd, not minus 5. Questions so far?
Nope.
All right, Olivia Carr, 27.
I'm not this right.
That's okay.
I got 8x to the 3rd plus 24x squared plus 24x minus 3.
It's right, except the second term is minus 24x.
Oh, that's what I had. It's just
Okay.
I erased it.
All right. Yeah, so it's 8x cubed minus 24x squared plus 24x minus 8. Number 30. John Harris.
I'm lost. I'm
Okay. Sydney, did you try that one?
I did. I got 12y to the 4th plus y to the 3rd plus 40y plus 32. I don't know.
Not too far off. There's no y to the 4th in this.
Oh, is it?
No. How about Grant?
I got the same thing.
No. It's y cubed, well, actually,
Yeah.
it's in the wrong order because it was backwards, but if you want to put it in the right order, that's fine. But my book says 64 plus 48y plus 12y squared plus y cubed. So if you had it in the opposite order, that's okay. 33, Ian.
X to the power plus 5x to the fourth power y plus 10x to the third power y squared plus 10 squared
10. That was it?
plus 10 squared.
Oh, you were perfect till there. Then it's plus 10x squared y cubed plus 5xy to the fourth plus y to the fifth. We'll go over that one. 36, are they equivalent? Are they the same? You were supposed to just FOIL out and see if they were equal. Yes or no? Yes, they were. 39, we skipped. 42, I'll just read it off to you. X squared, y squared. This one's all messed up because there's no real order here. So x squared, y squared plus x cubed minus 2y cubed z minus 2xyz minus y to the fourth minus xy squared. I don't think there were any like terms there, so they just did it the way they got it when it was distributed. 45. This one has not really a good order either. 45 is 5x cubed y plus x squared y minus 9xy plus 10x cubed plus 2x squared minus 18x. 48 actually has a good order. It's x to the fifth minus 8x to the fourth plus 13x to the third minus 6x to the second plus x minus 6. And the last one, 51, 2x to the sixth minus 3x to the fifth minus 8x to the fourth plus 12x to the third plus 14x minus 21. Right, before I go over 33, any of the other ones you want to go over? Okay. There was the homework.
Submitting the homework.
So it was x plus y to the fifth, right? Okay, so I showed you at the end of class yesterday Pascal's triangle. So here's how you make it again. Start with a 1, and then 2 more 1s, and then you start the next one with a 1. What's 1 plus 1? 2, and with a 1. Start with a 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, and with a 1. Start with a 1, 1 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 1, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1. That's the one I want, 1.
5.
This is to the fifth power, that's the one I want. The one that has the 1, 5. Okay? So, I'm going to make a 1 with 2 parentheses, a plus a 5, with 2 parentheses, plus a 10, with 2 parentheses, and then 10, okay, plus, always put plus between them. Sometimes they alternate if there's a minus there. Plus 5, plus 1. Okay? So you get the numbers from Pascal's triangle, and then you put 2 sets of parentheses after each one, to get started. Okay? What goes in the first parenthesis? Okay.
Let's do this first, see if that helps.
Oops. What goes in the second one? The what? So far, so good? Okay. What's the first parentheses exponent? 5. Then 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And what's the second parentheses first exponent? 0. Okay? And then you just find the answer to each of those problems. And that's the answer to the problem. Okay? So, what did I also tell you about when you see the zeros? Just cross them out, because it's a 1. It's like 1 times x to the 5th times 1, so I don't even worry about it. It's like 1 times y to the 5th. Okay? So I just cross the 0 ones out. Don't worry about it after I get this set up. Okay, so what's 1 times x to the 5th? X to the 5th. What's 5 times x to the 4th times y to the 1st? 5 x to the 4th y, right? 10 times x cubed times y squared. 10 times x squared times y cubed. 5 times x y to the 4th. And then y to the 5th. So that one's really easy because what numbers were with in front of x and y? Ones, right? Just x plus y. Okay? That was an easy one. But when you get, a 2 or a 3 in front, then you gotta, like if it was 2x, we'd have to go 10 times 2 squared, which would be 4. So that'd be 40. 5 times 2x, that'd be 10. If there was a 2x there. Okay? Any others you want to go over? Or do we got this multiplying polynomial stuff? It's just distributing a lot, right? And then combining like terms if you have like terms. Okay? So you'll have a couple of these types of problems from Wednesday night, 6-1 stuff. And last night we'll be on the exam. Okay, we're going to start exam review today. Okay, so I'm passing out the exam review. All you have to do for Monday is numbers 1 to 10. Okay? And then Monday night you'll do 20 or 11 to 20. And then Tuesday night you'll do 21 to 30. All right? So there's only 30 problems. We'll do 10 each day. And we'll go over them in class. Now, on the actual exam, which is next Thursday, Friday, I'm going to give you the last 11 on Thursday, because it's like a normal test where you have to show all your work and write out your answers. Okay, you listening? On Friday, I'm going to give you 1 to 19. It's all multiple choice. Okay, so you're doing writing out all the answers on Thursday, and then Friday it's all multiple choice. Everybody get one? So again, all you have to do tonight is 1 to 10,
Nice.
okay?
So
So you probably could get them done before you leave, most of them.